This is a quick tutorial on how to buy shares of Marks & Spencer. Marks & Spencer is a UK retailer of clothing, food, and home products listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker MKS.L. This content is educational and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will normally need to verify your identity with a document and add funds before you can buy shares. Use the broker's search bar and enter the ticker MKS.L to find Marks & Spencer. Make sure you select the London Stock Exchange listing to locate the correct share. Open the asset page to view basic company information and the price chart. Check the company name, LSE listing, and ticker MKS.L to confirm you are on the correct page. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is included in the description below.